ప్రజెంట్ అవుతుందా స్క్రీన్?
లేదు సార్.
1 minute. Presenting screen. So yesterday, for communication between the Azure and local system, provider file is written in Terraform. So for resource group, resource creation, first we are need inputs. That is a variable resource group name. So drkrj and central US. Correct, na? So next variable file. So that is a value inputs. So next I want to create a resource group. So what is my resource group? Here. So here I am creating the resource file. So location will be taken from the variable file and this is the method. So this is only na yesterday appear file. So what I did first, Terraform. First command, what is that? Init.
Yes, sir.
So please remember the what are commands. Some need to come by heart only. Otherwise we can't by remember. So Terraform init is the first command. So I just init initialization the this software. So like git init. So here we not get the any issue. Okay, and next what is the Terraform output? Terraform plan. So that plan, PLAN plan, that is output. Out is the means output is saving to the one file. That name I forgot it actually. I need to check. So this is the plan out main.tf file. So main.tf plan. So I am saving the my plan into the main.tf plan. This is file name is also very important in interview point of view. So I am saving the output what are the plan generated to main.tf plan file. So that is a tf plan extension. So it is saving. So when I am saving this, some error is getting with provider registry Terraform Azure provide line number 30 provider Azure provider Azure RM. So it is saving. So I want to check the validation. So that is file is valid or not. Correct? Validate. If you validate means no errors. If you having so it is okay. Then what is the issue now? AG login. Actually I am not login from that location to the cloud. I will check now. So this is the issue. Actually problem. So I not login from the this location to the cloud. That's the problem. So first I will take this screen. I will update this file. Continuously do practice. First, when you watching and doing things, very confusing. Like it will, but when you understanding the what is the usage, why tool is using, so question yourself. I give an input how to you understand the software, any software to practice learn new things. First, what is the use of Terraform? So I sequentially giving the information. There is a using of creating the resources in the Azure cloud. So what is the difference? PVL portal, CLI, PowerShell, Cloud Shell. So understand the things already you doing. So this is a Terraform is a third part tool. So you can Google it. So spend some time and understand the one concept. You you come to the one opinion like okay, this is tool I can use this type of. So for this login I need to AGCLI or AG login. So first, so like that you need to do la- you need to discover the information yourself. I am giving the input how to understand, how to basic. So how can you understand the things. So all of the information is I am giving it continuously. So try one some example with storage public library. So then you understand that okay, I can do the things to using this cloud software. Actually no now anybody some technical or some understanding level person, Terraform use and create some resource group means he will go document and read and he will deliver the some information. How he can deliver information? Because of his understanding level is his understanding level is very high. That's the thing. So anybody can do because so if you I am giving the that knowledge is like you will be understand any software anytime. So then you can understand through the document read an example. You can create a some resources in the Azure cloud. So not a Azure Terraform, not a Azure CLI, not a Azure PowerShell. So you can do any software using if you market deliver some X software to create a resources. You can follow the document and you can create the process. So that is the important. So I'll AG login. So I log in. So I got the information, my tenant ID and the result, manage identity, enable, and all the thing. Parma book. So so this is the information I got when logging. So now I am trying to execute the same. So what is that? That command Terraform plan plan hyphen output into storing to the what file name is what main dot tf plan. So this is this extension of plan storing that the what are the generation plan. So what will be creating that output will be storing to the main dot tf file. That is my intention. So I am entered. So previously we got an error. So we will doing now. It is getting error or not? So it is now it is visualizing the status. Before I said that output will come in a scenario. Correct na Manikanda?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Variables, parameters, resource, output. That output may be input to the next like I said na that class. So this output where it is coming? Here CLI screen. The CLI screen is showing that. So here Terraform used the selector providers generated the So generate the following execution plan. Resource action are indicated with the following symbols. So Terraform will be perform the following action. So it will be perform the action means it will be create. So that is ID known after. So ID will be generated in the cloud. So no known after apply means what is that? This is a resource group. What is the known after apply? Name known after apply. That is that. So when you creating after no also after only that id will be generated in the Azure cloud. So Azure id will be generated by Azure cloud. So that's why it is saying that known after apply. So after creation it will know. Then location central vs we are given. So this is also no name also after applying. So next this is variable. So it is that. So known after. So length character 2 and prefix drk rj separator hyphen. So this is the way we are getting the saved plan to. So it is the plan. This is we are creating the plan will generate saved and it is generated and saving to main.tf plan. So we are not wasting the our output. We are storing for future reference. I think you understand the people. Correct? Suresh and Manikanta. Suresh, you understood, no?
Yes, sir.
So the output generating it is that it is like top of this up to this horizontal bar. So that is saving to the main.tf file plan. Normally we are watching working with the .txt file, .doc, wordx, word file, but not type of .tf file and .tx. So we are now software worker in the working in the software. So that's why we will to work a lot of extension files. So try to understand the extension. So based on the extension, it will be say that is it related to that software related part, thing. That's the thing. So everything will be convey that file extension only. So without extension we can't say this is that file sometime because so dot jar means java, dot net means dot net software, dot tf means terraform, dot jsm means javascript object notation, dot yam means yaml based file. So like we are know that that is with extension only. Otherwise we can't expect even master of the software engineer also he can't don't know what is it is. So I am in red. So the output will be created in the Azure cloud. Correct? And this is the output is that what is that output? Please remember the technical terms. Otherwise, I can't help with you. So because remember hard boycott. So remember hardly any technical course. Anything creating the cloud, it is a resource. So that is a resource. So either resource group, or either virtual machine, either storage disk, either public IP, either NIC, network interface, either virtual network. So either subnet. So how I can remember these all things? So by hearting and very interestedly and so I try to practice and try to remember lot of try. So otherwise, it is software will be the wide range of technical words. It will be used. So it will be maybe very similar to regular you are using your daily conversion in the your language, but need to use your respective technical terms in the regular usage also better because you will need to work in the software. So that's why you need to try practice every time. So this is a file the that state of output will be saved to where main data
main.tf plan.
file play of plan. So I'm doing the what are the I'm giving the explanation is very simple and easy because it is a normally a working process. So when you want to do so somebody references, you will do the reference of this thing. So what is the why use of main dot f plane? So some years after years of months or days, you can't remember everything. So you want, that's why you are saving the state of file in some file, in for some file location. That's the only reason. Otherwise you why need to do activity extra? Everything once some purposefully is there, correct na? So that is completed. So then what is the next command? So what is the next command? So I think we are having the one example of link.
Apply, sir,
Yeah,
apply.
yeah, good. That's correct. Apply is correct. But we are referring the some link na. So I will go that link, because so everything will be take as so create a Linux munition. Actually in the top of that, create a Azure resource group there, quick links. So we are reading. So actually here it is saying that already document we are not seen yesterday cleanly, thoroughly. So prerequisites means prerequisites, everything will be prerequisites. Configuring Terraform into Azure Cloud Bash shell, so with Bash. Configuring Terraform with Windows Bash. Configure Terraform with PowerShell. So he is saying already to connect first. Understood na? We not connected previously with cloud. So now, otherwise, if you connected also, you can log in once again. It will be show if connected or not. Terraform file I created. So initialized init I did. Okay, Terraform init. So there is a quick references there. So you can do Linux VMs. If you're not understanding, then leave it. And understanding examples like Terraform, Azure with examples, resource. So do creation and delete. How many you will use? So first understand, without understand also do try to copy paste, and first you will get the confidence, then you will get the information after apply. So now it is applying the plan. So I am saving the, I saved plan to main.tf plan. So that's why I am applying the this plan. So I am clsing. So apply the main plan. Normally apply also will work without main.tf plan also. So I am applying the main.tf plan. So it is a random, it is creating. So I think anytime we want to go here, and I want to check the this deployment I want. So whenever I want to check the deployment is showing empty. Actually today I will check.
Yes, sir, deployment empty on.
Correct na? We will so completed two added, so destroyed 0. So change is also deployment. So there is a two type of deployments. One is very important. Remember, two type of deployments. Even though I don't know, after I getting a job, I know that this technical terms. You are getting initially information. That is the benefit of one learned technical person training taking na, that is very important. So two type of deployments will be there. Deployments means creating available. So what is two type? One is increment, one is complete. Increment is what and complete is what? One is increment, okay na? And the second one is complete. Complete and increment. This is this is what's I think everybody hard in a normal in the world normally discussion time. Increment. normal job in job area, so you will get the information, salary will be increment. So if you do the job, you always expect every year increment, correct or not? Correct or not? If you
Yes,
are
sir.
related, if you related, yes, otherwise no, silent, no problem. So complete. So what is the complete means? So complete means you will be wind up means the close. So what you do now? So in the respective, I am the familiar with real estate. That's why I have been given this example. So one contractor will be build the house, wind up. So he will be the do the one triple bedroom, one bedroom, double bedroom, like some build houses. So he will complete that houses one location. After selling, he will go to the different location and he will start the new house buildings. It is correct or not? I understood
Yes,
na
sir.
Karan.
Understood, sir.
So, so what he will do? He will sell what are the building houses, and he will go for different location, and he will buy the plot, and he will do build the houses, and he will try to sell the both those buildings are same. So there is a complete method is that normally you are doing code here. So any changes will be done. Two type of will take. So one is that so increment. So if you changes anything, Ramakrishna RG. So I will do Ramakrishna RG 2. So what will have? If you take the increment method, so old resource group. So I am taking that. If now a resource group RG is there. So created or not, we will verify. So it will be lie. Lie means stay same. DRK RG dashing clam. So this is the name in created. Okay. So what are the created? No, okay, no problem. So it will be stay live lie as it is, and it will create in another one DRK RG dashing claim 2. Understood? Na? It is incrementing. Means it is increasing the resource group. Na? Resource. Na? Both are Manikanta and this Suresh.
Yes, sir. That is resource.
So
We
resource, so everything is a resource in the cloud. So this is now we are creating resource is a resource group. If you VM creating VM, so everything, so that is increasing the resources. So it is resource group is increasing, correct or not? So we are first we will having one, now second increment method. The method is creating the resources. So it is a cloud, there is a methods, two methods, one is increment, one is complete. So increment is so old resource will be stay and new will be create, and it will be add the some more resources. So it is increasing the count of resources, correct?
yes, sir.
So
There are some.
that is the increment method. So now I understand everybody. So increment is the increasing the count of resources. I think everybody increment is the increase the count of resource in the cloud. If you so this is a method. So increment is a very simple, but the terminology is very very important. Please, why I am saying how you are creating the resource in using Terraform. What is the method you are when you asking the increment method or complete method? You need to say what is the complete increment method. Then that is second question will come. So you will give correct answer, na? You will have best impression. We will get the best impression in interview point of view. That's why I am saying. So why normally complete will be, so if I changes, any changes happen, so old will be same, any changes happen. So somebody some file will change it. So then it will be created. It will be create a new and old resource will be stay as like. But normally I copying this. I edit some sentence. Complete will be now. After this statement completion. After completion of this statement, I am asking the question to you. Which one is better? That's complete is remove the exist and create a new one. New one and count new one. What is one? New one is a resource. I always create a resource, not resource group or so I am creating the resource group virtual machine. The count of the resource in the cloud is is always maintain study. So which one will take normally? What method we will prefer? Manikanta, Suresh, and Srinivas also come, I think. Which one better? If you understand, give the thing. Please, I want to close the early day actually today. So after this one, I will give interview method sometime. Give the inputs. What will you will be prefer? No, which one is right? I don't know, but your interest. Manikanta, tell me first. I want to ask the name. Otherwise, you can't give information.
Sir, complete second one is better, sir.
Okay, leave it. So next, I will come to you next. Suresh, which one?
I am also complete, sir. It is remove the
Okay, okay,
existence.
okay, okay. And Srinivas,
Yes, sir. Good
what
morning.
is sir? Which one you want interested? Which one you interested?
Sir,
Which method is you are interested? Deployment. I think you are not watching the video.
incre-
Okay. Complete by Suresh.
It remove the exist and create new resource, sir.
So the
If any
changes happen, so I want the changes mission only, resource only. So that's why. Suresh, your point of view?
my point of view, for suppose any error is came with clear and
Okay, 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 okay,
remove.
good. So okay, Panikanta, yourself, you are given one input na. So what is your explanation? Why complete is why better? Better.
Complete is remove. The exist and create new one resource, sir.
Okay, okay. So you are also interested. So you any want any changes to do? So I want to remove the old one. I want to the new fresh one only. Correct na? Your opinion both.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So sometime
Ah,
increment is also very important because it is sometime what happened na? Increment means old version people also some liking some services. So I want old version also. Some customers will addict. So that time they don't go for. So based on the company scenario, understand na? It is always it is better, but such old versions Windows 7 not move for they not moving for Windows 11. Some customers, correct? Like that people will be there na.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So for that time, so we will create, we will stay like that only, and we will upgrade new version, and we will do second service also. So, this will be also will be for workable some scenarios. So because of existing of customers, so business, so we will go and they will feel Windows 11. If you go Windows 11 immediately, so I am updated changes. If you so all people will go or not?
Yes, sir.
sir,
Go, sir.
it is
No, all people will not go. I have doubts. It will work or not. I don't know. So like that. So they will go increment method. So Windows 10 same stay like, and Windows 11 create new changes, upgrade, and it will be after completion of people all are moving to the Windows 11 old customers, then they will remove this one. Like first they will go increment sometime based on the requirement. So both will be fine based on your work nature. Correct?
Yes, sir. Because they
So
are similar to
um,
that old software or old things.
yes. So now I am stopping my video and we are going for the interviews process skills.